AGA, which is the Young Heroes program that we have here at the Gaelic College. And this is our third year, and we're actually finishing up a week from today. We'll be finishing the program. But today we are putting the call out for new applicants. So 10 new applicants will be selected for next year. The only thing is you have to be between the age of 10 and we're accepting applicants up to the age of 17. We haven't had any older than 16, but we're leaving it open for whoever would like to apply. And basically this program, I might say a word or two more about it after this presentation, but it's basically a great way to learn Gaelic. We meet here at the Gaelic College once a month between September and March, and we have a 3-day session. A lot of it is Gaelic immersion, but there's also some lessons done on history of the Gaels, different cultural items, and you get a mentor, someone from your community who speaks Gaelic or someone near your community, and you work with that person throughout the program. So without further ado, here are participants of Nagashki Gaga for this year, for last year, and the year before. So Nagashki Gaga.
And learn history too. And I want to have fun while I do it. I wish there was a program like that.
Hi, I'm Mark McDonald, Director of Fun at the Gaelic College. One of our most fun programs is Nagashki Gaga.
Nagashki what?
It's a fun program where you meet once a month and you get your own mentor, and you speak Gaelic and get Gaelic lessons and hang out with your friends.